There's a strange contradiction in the airline industry. Some people pay $4,000 for a business class seat, while others pay less than economy level pricing for the exact same seat on the exact same plane. Same aircraft, same cabin, same experience. So the real question is not why business class is expensive, it's why so many people are unknowingly overpaying for it. Because hidden inside airline pricing systems are 5 silent glitches that change everything. And once you understand them, the entire game flips. Airlines don't price seats randomly. They use dynamic systems that constantly adjust based on demand, timing, route behavior, and even geography. But here's where it gets interesting. These systems aren't perfect. They react, they overreact, and sometimes they misread demand completely. And that's where opportunities appear. Not hacks, not tricks, just predictable weaknesses inside a very complex pricing machine. Let's break them down. Glitch number 1, the timing pressure drop. Most travelers think booking early always saves money. That's only half the truth. For business class, there's a hidden pricing curve. At first, prices are extremely high, but between 2 to 8 weeks before departure, something changes. Airlines start realizing business class seats are still empty, and empty premium seats are the worst outcome possible. So instead of publicly discounting them, they quietly adjust internal pricing models. What looks like a normal seat one day suddenly drops in price the next refresh. Not because of luck, because the system is correcting pressure, and most people miss it completely because they book too early or too late. Glitch number 2, the route split effect. Now, this one is counterintuitive. Direct flights are convenient and expensive, but airline pricing doesn't always optimize for convenience. It optimizes for segments. So when you break a single journey into 2 parts, something unexpected happens. One segment might have low business class demand, another might be underpriced due to competition, and suddenly combining them creates a cheaper premium experience than the direct route. This is not a discount trick, it's a segmentation mismatch. The system is pricing pieces separately, but travelers only think in full journeys. That gap creates opportunity. Glitch number 3, the country price mirror. Same airline, same flight, same seat, different price. This happens because airlines don't operate with one global price. They operate with regional pricing models, meaning a business class ticket in one country might be priced based on local income levels, while another country sees a completely different number. So depending on where you search from, you might be looking at a completely different reality of the same flight. It's like 2 mirrors showing the same object, but slightly warped versions of its value, and most travelers never think to look through another mirror. Glitch number 4, the error fare window. This is where the system actually breaks. Sometimes airline pricing goes wrong, not intentionally, but due to currency conversion mismatches, outdated fare updates, and internal system delays. And for a short period of time, business class seats get priced incorrectly, sometimes drastically. These windows don't last long because the system eventually self-corrects. But during that brief moment, a seat worth thousands behaves like it forgot its own value, and the only people who catch it are those watching at the exact right time. Glitch number 5, the upgrade ladder loop. Airlines don't just sell business class, they sell progression toward business class. You don't always jump directly into premium seats. Sometimes the system nudges you step by step, economy to premium economy, to upgrade offers, to bidding systems, to business class. And here's the hidden advantage. Each step is individually discounted to increase fill rate, which means stacking upgrades can sometimes cost less than buying business class directly. Airlines prefer incremental upgrades because empty premium seats lose value every minute, so they gradually lower resistance until you accept the upgrade, not as a purchase, but as a decision that slowly becomes inevitable. When you connect all 5 of these patterns, a different picture appears. business class isn't always expensive. It's just unevenly priced across time, geography, demand, and system errors. And the people who get cheaper tickets aren't doing anything illegal or hidden. They're simply interacting with the system at the moments when it is least stable. Which leads to a bigger question. If pricing systems behave this unpredictably for business class, what else in travel pricing is quietly shifting in the background that most people never notice?